I don't know. Are we going to be able to follow that up?
Well, yeah, but maybe. But they're trying to trick us. They're giving us good ones in the whole time because they knew we were going to pick the last one.
Mm-hmm.
So now they changed it to the first.
Oh, is that it? That's the logic we're following?
Because they found out. So it's basically a pattern.
Okay, there we go. Let's see.
Left.
You got it all figured out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Power of Grayskull.
Not this one. Power of Grayskull.
Power of the Force.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. All right.
You
didn't
missed it.
do the head.
I forgot.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's keep it going, right? We'll do... Nope, it was unwrapped. That's not what I wanted to do.
No.
No. Okay. So, since you didn't follow the right steps, we'll do another one, right? We'll keep it going.
We'll just do another.
Okay. So which one?
First again.
First one this time.
Yeah, because the last first didn't work.
Here he goes. Okay. Oh.
Sorry.
Alright.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh.
A little
Here we go.
extra.
Here we go. 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 Baby. A comment. But as I said on the live stream when we saw this, that this really is just my favorite one of all. Just the wear and tear here on the blaster, the difficulty of creating the camouflage tunic that she's wearing, and she's just so tough and cool that you can't ever complain about getting another Leia.
Even though we already
and triple-digit cereal. So there we go.
Even though we already have it unwrapped, since you love it so much, do you want to unwrap it again?
Yeah, we'll keep it sealed. I think that way, in case somebody's going to want one later down the line, we'll have one ready to go. All right. There it is. By the way, there's the grill. Just had to see it.
Like yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah. All right. So today we did not continue the Grail luck, but that is all right. Right? We got a rare and a common, couple layers. So, all right. We'll see.